Part 3. The perimeter and area of a kite. You will find this on page 200 in the Namibia Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. A kite. A kite is similar to the rhombus, except that two pairs of adjacent sides in a kite are equal. The diagonals of the kite are perpendicular to each other, and the area of the kite is found by multiplying the lengths of the two diagonals, and then divide it by 2. So you can either write the formula like this, or you can say a half diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Okay. The perimeter is the distance around the edges. So it's this plus this plus this plus this. So the perimeter is 2 times, and then I must just say A plus B. Or the perimeter of the kite is 2A plus B or 2A plus 2B. Okay. Where A is the length of the short side and B is the length of the long side. Now let's look at example 3. The figure shows a kite, ABCD, where AB is 13, AD is 37, and BE is 5, and ED is 35. Calculate the area. So diagonal 1, let's first find the diagonals. It's 5 plus 35, that will be 40. Diagonal 2 is 12 plus 12, and that will be 24. So the area of the kite is that 40 times that 24, and I just divide it by 2 and I get 480. And the perimeter of the kite will just be, I add the two sides, the short plus the long, and then I just multiply it by 2. Or I can say 2 times 13 plus 2 times 37. Okay, I want you to stop the video and I want you to do try now 3, number A and B. As soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. The figure shows a kite, ABCD, where BC, let's just move it up a little bit, BC is 10, DC is 17, and BE is 6, and ED is 15. Find the area. Okay, now let's start by finding diagonal 1. Now, let's call this diagonal 1. So this will be 6 plus 15, and that will be 21. Okay, let's do the next one, diagonal 2. That will be 8 times 2, and that will be equal to 16. So if I want to find the area of that kite, it's just going to be diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, and I'm going to divide it by 2. So this is going to be 21 times 16, divide by 2, and that is going to be 168. And if this is in centimeter, then this is going to be centimeters squared. Okay, and then the perimeter. So if I find the perimeter, so the perimeter of the kite, and that's going to be 2, and that's A plus B. So that's going to be 2, and now this is going to be 10, the short side, plus the long side, and I multiply it by 2, and I will get 54 centimeter, and that will be the perimeter of the kite.